hold your horses. This one is too good to let get away.
Looking for a place that just feels right. Sunny floor plan, open and bright. 2 bedrooms waiting, move right in. Your next chapter is ready to begin. Screen porch mornings with your coffee cup. Poolside weekends when the sun comes up. Walking trails when you wanna unwind. Everything you need is right outside. If you wanna buy it now, if you wanna buy it quick, call the Rap Chick. Grove Park condos got that easy kind of living. Close to everything with a whole lot to give. Don't let this one slip right through your hands. This could be the place you've always planned. Grab your groceries just down the street. Starbucks coffee makes the day complete. Bees Landing Park just down the way makes every weekend feel like a getaway. If you wanna buy it now, if you wanna buy it quick, call the Rap Chick. Some homes just have that welcome home feel, the kind you know is the real deal. One look around, you'll know it's true. This condo's just waiting for you. Second floor living, screen porch view. Everything you need is here for you. Don't wait.